The coin market cap is used to summarize everything that is said in this movie. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my station to get more XRP news and news about cryptocurrencies in general. Also, look at this. The UI Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, was ready to stop making any claims on Ripple XRP. If the US Securities and Exchange Commission SEC doesn't find any more cases or demand fines against Ripple out, they might not do anything else. As XRP clears up any lingering questions about its status as an unregistered security, the Ripple team is waiting for a final decision right now. The US Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple XRP were still working out the details of their deal as of July 18th. If all charges are dropped, there is a chance that the suspect will not have to worry about more fines or court cases. In the early days of Ripple, when the XRP asset was set up in a way that made people wonder if it was breaking any stock laws, they were part of the investigation that the SEC did over a number of years. Multiple investigations by the US Securities and Exchange Commission have been conducted against cryptocurrency projects. The outcomes have been a mix of fines and good findings from most companies. XRP's value has grown by an amazing amount in July, doing better than the top 40 cryptocurrencies. In just one day, it went up by 13%. Brad Garlinghouse, president and CEO of Ripple, says he doesn't like how Bitcoin is being used for political purposes in the US. A lot of people in the Bitcoin world and beyond are interested in this way of thinking. There are a lot of people who were caught off guard by the quick rise in the price of XRP, especially when you look at how the market usually works. Compared to XRP, Bitcoin, Ether, and Diem, the top 3 cryptocurrencies haven't grown nearly as much, based on the most latest information. Because XRP has been doing so well, a lot of investors and experts are guessing what is causing the price to spike. Ripple has been working hard to connect more people and grow. The market has mostly responded positively to Ripple's aggressive behavior, which shows that buyers have lost no faith in the company. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, says that the US is involved in crypto politics. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, has been very vocal about the problems the cryptocurrency business is having right now, especially in the US. Garlinghouse just put out a statement in which he criticizes how partisan the crypto fight in Washington, D.C. is. Garlinghouse was angry about how political differences are stopping progress and new ideas from happening. He said, "It is deeply frustrating to see the extent to which crypto has become a partisan issue in the United States. This technology should be an engine for new ideas and economic growth, but it's being used as a political football instead." The writer says the things that Garlinghouse said happen at a time when the business is having a hard time dealing with the growing scrutiny of government agencies. Many people who work in the business agree with him that political goals are getting in the way of having a meaningful conversation. They want regulation that is more well-rounded and based on facts. Because Garlinghouse's claims have a lot of effects, Ripple and XRP are not the only cryptocurrency that will be changed. There have been times when changes in regulations and political rhetoric have made the cryptocurrency market as a whole subject to changes. News about regulations has also caused Bitcoin and Ethereum, 2 of the most well-known cryptocurrencies on the market, to go up and down. The Hyrule project, which used to be called Blockstacks, is being looked into. Was shut down in July by Indepaxos, the company that makes stablecoins. You might also be interested in Ripple pulls its stakes from Bitstamp and Tranglo without giving any reason. People from Ripple have been invited to a meeting by the SEC. The meeting will be about deciding what steps and procedures to take. Trading activity and interest in XR as a whole went down a lot while the SEC probe was going on. On the other hand, the SEC's positive decision about Ethereum's standing led to more trading and the release of several ETFs. However, Ripple's XRP continued to fall because of the fear of more lawsuits. Because of this pressure, the price of XRP stayed below 40 cents. The recent rise in XRP, which took the price above 60 cents, was partly caused by positive hopes for the resolution. Right now, the market is waiting for all the XRP action to play out, whether it comes from traditional banks or crypto insiders. It looks like XRP has eaten the report of the settlement, at least for now. Even though trades went back up to $3.09 billion, XRP's price fell again to 57 cents after the SEC meeting was announced. More people traded XRP than at any time in the past 3 months, which hasn't happened since its rise in March. As of right now, though, XRP is still getting backing from its most loyal supporters and spokesmen. People don't trust older alternative coins when the market isn't very liquid, especially after XRP moved sideways for years. Once more, XRP is competing for status. Now, XRP has to work hard to rebuild its reputation in a new market. It is usual for chart analysts to see the years-long drop as a sign that a breakout is about to happen. XRP, on the other hand, is very different from other cryptocurrencies and has nothing to do with the world of cryptocurrencies in 2024. There are only 4.8 million wallets in the project, so it has missed most of DeFi's growth. A well-known user named CryptoBitlord recently brought up something that made people even more excited than they were already feeling over the past week. The current rise in the price of XRP has led some to think that it will soon be worth more than $1. Find out more about how much XRP will cost in 2024 and 2030 here. When will the dollar come? Starting now, the effort wants to show more ways it can be used so it can compete with other well-known chains. On the other hand, the most important thing to look for right now is a price rise, which will show that XRP is not a lost coin. If XRP went up even though it was forgotten, and most new crypto traders didn't know about it. This is one of the most likely moves it could make. One prediction made by CryptoBitlord is that XRP will become the most expensive cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. This will make it very well known. If there are no more charges or expectations, people may be able to hold and trade without worrying about being investigated further. Tokenization is used by the cryptocurrency Ripple. One of the most important things that Ripple's network seems to be missing is the ability to tokenize transactions. It's possible that Ripple is late to the game, since almost all chains already have tools in place that make it easy to make coins. What Ripple is doing, on the other hand, is still in its early stages and looks at tokenization from a more academic and broad point of view. The information given is not meant to be taken as trade advice. Any purchases made based on the information on this page are not the responsibility of the people who made them. Before making any investment decisions, you should definitely do your own study and talk to a professional who knows what they're talking about.